Folks, the starting wrapper provided in the resources of this video. This is the heads or tails coding exercise. In here you have to write a program which will randomly print out to the user heads or tails. And this could come in handy to the user when they don't have a coin and they will want to make a decision. Now you have a hint, and that is to not forget to import the random module. If you don't import it, then your code will not work. So pause the video and complete this coding exercise. I hope you have completed the exercise successfully. Now let's walk through it together. So first, as the hint tells us, let's import the random module at the top. And my thought process is that we can generate a random number from 0 to 1, and we can use the random method, which means it will include 0 and 1, and a random number from 0 to 1 will either be 0 or 1. And then we will use an if statement to check if the number is 0, we will print to the user heads, and if the number is 1, we will print to the user tails. So let's generate our random number, and in here we use random.randent, and we will generate a number from 0 to 1, meaning it will either give us 0 or 1. And then we will check if the random number equals to 0. Now in this case it will give us an integer as a result, so you don't have to put this in double or single quotes. If you do, the code will not work and you will get an error because you are trying to check if an integer is equals to a string. And then we will print to the user tails. But if the number is not 0, meaning it will be 1, we can just print to the user heads. So let's simply run the program, and we got heads. If we run it again, we got heads again. So I will run it again, and in this case we got tails. I hope you completed this exercise correctly. I'll see you in the next video.